The Toyota Tacoma has recently undergone a pretty major overhaul, and with all those changes including a new frame, new powertrains, and now even hybrid power, a lot of the previous accessories that you may use for your Tacoma will no longer fit. So here at Torquelift International, we brought down the all-new 2026 Toyota Tacoma. That way we can build a NorthHitch from the ground up that is specifically built for the 2024 and up 4th generation Tacoma platform. We start by getting the truck up on a lift and analyzing the new frame, identifying the factory mounting points. Then we perform a full 3D scan to get precise measurements, and all that data that we gather helps our engineers design a new front hitch that is going to fit like factory, precise, strong, and flush. The NorthHitch features a stainless steel receiver to prevent corrosion and rust stains. It installs with no drilling, maintains your factory ground clearance, and it'll sit flush with your front bumper. That means better compatibility and easier use with your hitch accessories that you may already have for your truck. Strength is especially our top priority, with an estimated tongue weight capacity of 600 pounds and up to 6,000 pounds of towing capacity. Whether you're hauling gear, running a bike rack, or you're heading off-road, the NorthHitch is built to expand on the capability your Tacoma is already capable of. It also provides a pretty solid recovery point for those times where you might need a tow. Development is now underway here at Torquelift International. Once our preliminary testing is done, we'll upload those final towing and tongue weight capacities to our website, so make sure to check in and see exactly what those numbers are going to be. Pre-orders are now open with the limited time discounts, so make sure to either call us or go to our website to take advantage of those limited time savings. And make sure to check back in for our installation videos, as well as those final weight ratings coming to you from Torquelift International.